Hey, what's up guys? So I just finished up with destroying my new Armour Crayon, I called it, just the Armour Typhon Cross Creighton, and I wasn't done. I really feel like another drive, so I thought I'd bring this out. I want to see how my new servo goes with these wheels, because they are a lot heavier. That it'll take a lot more power for the servo to push them. Also the motor, I brought my little heat probe thing just to make sure that motor doesn't heat up too much, because it is still the stock motor. Got a lot of grip, these tires. So this servo has no trouble at all pushing these big wheels. Gotta say, Traxxas really done a good job with the servo. Oh, that's soft stuff. This servo is excellent. Oh, brake it doing that. Oh, that was a good tumble. No. Oh. Sorry, buddy. Jeez. Oh. Alright, backflip time, hopefully. No, I won't do a backflip with these tyres with the stock motor. Not for me anyway. Break dancing. Oh no. Oh, steering. Something's gone wrong with the steering. I knew that. I knew that. I broke something. So I've got no steering. Oh no, it just come undone. The screw. So I'm going to try and drive it, but I'm not really sure how long it will last. Hopefully a jump or two. Oh, there's the batteries as well. So I'm just chucking the other batteries in now. But I thought I'd test test my motor quickly because it's pretty warm. $77, $84, $85. Yeah, around about 80 degrees, 85 degrees, which isn't too bad. I thought it was gonna get much worse than that without the fans on it. So no, I'm happy. Oh no. Oh, you're rock crawling. Woo! Traxxas slash getting through the thick stuff. Listen to the gears and the wheels. Tumble! Oh! I don't know why mine keeps going down. No, it's because of the small wheels, like I said to you. Oh. If you go a little bit bigger or heavier, you'll have more control. Yeah. Go for it. Yeah, try and get a little bit more speed, and as you go through the jump, just keep your finger on the throttle, and it should stay nice and level. Beautiful. Now have a go at the X-maxx and do it. So you're not throttling quite enough. Throttle a little bit more and it'll bring the nose up. Oh, hit the fence. So that'll be it, guys. I think I'm out of battery. I have got one more set of batteries, but that's to get home with. I'm not carrying this home again. But the servo seems to be excellent. The wheels, I'm growing on them. Sorry, they're growing on me. But they're still really heavy. They do damage when you land a bad jump on the front wheel or something. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking about getting these wheels. I'm definitely going to have to get another set of stock wheels. So yeah, that's definitely on the books. No worries, cheers guys. I'll catch you in the next video, and as always, stay safe. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.